Okay, a few days ago, Harold Ramis passed away. He was one of the original Ghostbusters. He directed Caddyshack. He starred in Stripes and many other movies. He will be missed. And in his honor, I'm going to give him a 21 cowbell salute. That was about 21 cowbells. Okay, and now for this week's Zippo. Alright, this one comes in the normal Zippo black box, and the label simply says Eagle. So this is pretty cool Zippo with the eagle on the front. It's on street chrome body, and it was made in, let's see if we can read that. That looks like K of last year. That's about November. Fires up real nice. Got a good sound. So that is the Eagle Zippo. I do have a few Eagles, not too many. So yeah, that's a another collectible for my Zippo stash, and it does rate some cowbell. Knuckle bump.